Forrest Wang throws it down.
I'm Forrest Wang, and this is my 99 Nissan S15 Silvia. The livery was designed by Ray's Factory out of Vegas. It was applied by Las Vegas Car Wraps. We're running a 2F Performance body kit, Origin Type 4 fenders, 2F Performance rear LFC panels. 2JZ engine. It was built by Boost Factory, Precision 6870 turbo, OCD Works CNC ported head. Heritage wheels made by 3-Piece US. The rubber we're running on this car is the Achilles 123S and a Wisefab steering lock kit. The shocks are Yellow Speed Racing 3-way adjustable. We're running the NRG Halo seats, these camo harness, 5-point harness. Also a NRG custom steering wheel, signature edition. We're running a 6-speed sequential from Samsonis. Drive shaft shop, carbon fiber drive shaft, Winters quick change differential. If you want to see more of my car, go to Formula Drift Garage at wheelwell.com.